have these three brackets that are assembled in Creo Parametric, and the task is to add fasteners onto these four holes. And one thing you have to understand about these holes are patterned. If I go to, let me open this bracket here. While I extruded these holes as a unit, you can see I made one sketch and extruded those holes. No, yes. Okay, if I go back to the assembly, this part and this part are same parts, and the middle part, as you can see, doesn't has the mounting holes, but we want to use the fasteners to determine the mounting holes for us automatically. Creo Parametric has an extension called Intelligent Fastener, and if you go to the tools option here, you go to the Intelligent Fastener, you have to select Assemble on Reference. The first thing you need to define is the position reference. You have to select the point or axis or a surface where the bolt will go through. My bolt is going to go through here. You can select this axis, this surface. Therefore, I can select this axis here or surface. You can also select surface. Still works because circular surface automatically generates a middle axis. Then the next one is the placement surfaces screw head. Your bolt or your screw, the head will be resting on to which surface? Automatically it will be the surface. Nut or thread. If you have, assuming you have tapped, this has threads. Here you can select this, the position whereby you're going to allow the threads to go through. But here we are using a through bolt. Therefore, for the nut, is going to rest on this surface. You should see these two arrows. The other one is in case you want your bolt to be maybe at an angle, to be tilted. I will illustrate with another example how to use this option. Then say okay. Once you okay, I'm going to use default inch here. But we have so many catalog standards. We have GIS, ISO, isometric, and symmetric, all these standards for the fasteners. And the beauty thing about this intelligent fastener, it sets the size automatically for you. You can see it has selected a 1/4 inch because the diameter of my hole is 12 mm. Yeah, maybe I should have used 12.5 because of some tolerance, but that's fine. It's just for demonstration. And also you can see the length. If you can select the length here, if you want this to be a little bit longer, maybe 2 inches, if you want to have an extension here, and if you want to set the size by manual, in case you want to use something like ISO, I can use maybe M12 by this value because my hole is 12. And if you want to set now, I can select length here. But if you go back to the inch, in case this length is longer, maybe 3, you can set this length automatically by using this set length automatically option here. And you can see a preview. From my preview, I can see I have washers. I have a plain washer, another one. These are the type of washers. We have a spring lock washer, node lock, mostly used for a highly vibrative environment. It has some locking mechanism, node lock. That's in case you want to have 2 washers. But if you don't want a washer, if you just want one plain washer, you can see, you can just deselect. If you select here, a washer is added. But most of time, depending on the application, I usually use plain washer narrow here, and I usually use a spring washer regular on top here between the head and this spring washer, and bottom side usually most of the time I usually use plain washer. Then once you say okay, it recognizes all these holes are the same. Therefore, if you want to just insert a fastener only through one hole, you can select Assemble Single Instance. But if you want to now to pattern this fastener into all the holes, just select Assemble Fastener on all instances. Then you say okay, like that. As you can see, the fasteners are here, all of them. You can see the fasteners. You can see your spring washers, plain washer, my nut here. Yeah. For the nut, you can't be able to define. I've not seen the possibility, but you can be able to change, to configure your library such that instead of using a normal nut, you can have maybe another type of a nut, maybe a lock nut. And the beauty thing about this method, if you open now this part, let me open this part, you can see the holes are there automatically because these holes are driven by the fasteners. Let's see the size. You can see they are a bit bigger, 6.7. Diameter is 6.7. This one is yeah, they're supposed to be a little bit bigger. If I go back to assembly, let me come here, edit, okay. Yeah, basically that's how you can use the intelligent fastener. And yeah, you can use intelligent fastener like that to make your fasteners. Thank you and stay tuned for more. Bye.